Hey guys, I'm not here, obviously. You have a substitute today. Your assignment is going to be on the iPads or on the Chromebook. You're going to go to musictheory.net and you're going to do one of these exercises. I'm about to walk you through exactly what you have to do today in order to get a grade. So on musictheory.net, this is the home screen. You're going to select exercises. Okay. After that, you're going to select note identification. Okay. It brings you to this screen or a screen similar to it. On the right-hand side, regardless of what your screen shows, on the right-hand side, you're going to select the gear wheel. The first thing you need to do is select your clef. It's either going to be treble clef or bass clef. Notice if I select bass clef, it's going to select both of them. Make sure you only select one of them. Okay? Treble clef is going to be my flute players, clarinet players, alto saxophone players, trumpet players, horn players, and bass clarinet players. Bass clef, I have to unselect treble clef and select bass clef. My bass clef players are going to be trombone and tuba players, and baritone player if your name is Chris and you're in my third period 8th grade class. Okay, percussion, you are all gonna choose treble clef today. Okay, I gave you a break. Thank you. You're welcome. Cool. After you select your clef, you're gonna click the back button. You're gonna keep the treble range or bass range the same. You're gonna keep everything the same except for the last question. It says challenge mode. You're gonna say 20 minutes. 20. That's what I'm looking for. And I will see that. I will see 20 minutes. Okay? There's no way to get around with it. If I don't see 20 minutes at the end, then you don't get credit for this day. And that's a huge deal. Okay? Question limit is off. Options, you're going to select multiple attempts. So that has to be blue. Okay? After that, you click the back button, and then you just click on the screen. After that, it says challenge mode. Tap to begin and tap below to start the challenge with your current exercise customizations. Start challenge. You can see if I select the right notes, then I get a green and I get the right pitch. If I select the wrong notes, then I just get a red button. Okay? That tells me that that's wrong. That's why we selected challenge mode, multiple attempts. Okay? You're allowed multiple attempts to do these right. So, I just see the red button, and I know that was wrong, but I select the right one, and it moves on. Okay? So, what I'm looking for a grade, and this is a grade, what I'm looking for is I need to see all three things up here at the top of the page. I need to see the ratio of answered correctly versus questions asked. So I answered 4 questions correctly out of 5 questions that were asked. So I got an 80% correct. This 80%, if I were getting a grade on that, that would be the grade that I was getting. Okay? I would get an 80% for today. If, and only if, I answered all of the questions for 20 minutes. Now, I know if you answered 5 questions and this still says 0, 0, 0, 0, like you answered 5 questions in 20 minutes, that is not realistic. I'm looking for at least 15 questions in 20 minutes. And then I'm going to take the percentage out of that. If I do not see 15 questions, blank out of 15, I'm not giving you credit. You are getting a 0 for today. Okay? I need to see blank out of 15, and then your percentage, and then 0, 0, 0. That's what I'm looking for. That's it. You are going to take a screenshot, which is just the home button plus the power button on your iPad, and then on the Chromebook it's something different. It's print screen, and then you have to do something different. Look it up. If you're using a Chromebook, you can Google how to take a screenshot on the Chromebook. If you're using an iPad, it is your home screen plus your power button. You hold it, and then you save that picture, and then turn it in on PowerSchool, okay? Or the Haiku page. And that's it. That's all you got to do today. After you do this activity for 20 minutes, you're gonna go and play on GarageBand, and hopefully you'll have headphones in so you can be quiet and listen to your own stuff. You can work with a partner. You can work with 2 partners if you want to. You can have a little jam session if you want to, as long as it's quiet and you're respectful of the substitute. I am okay. Okay? If any bad notes from the substitute, I am going to take participation points away from you. We will talk about it on Wednesday if I get any bad reports from the substitute. Okay? Hopefully not. Hopefully you'll do whatever you need to do, and you'll get everything taken care of, and we will have a good day. Okay? I will see you on Wednesday. 8th graders, I'll see you tomorrow. Remember, 8th grade, we're doing run-throughs this week because we have NPA in 2.5 weeks. And then on Thursday and Friday, 8th grade, remember that I'm not going to be here, and you will be taught by Mr. Downing, who is also going to be doing run-throughs with you. Okay? Have a great day. Bye.